What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In our video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile picture without losing likes and comments. First thing you need to do is to open Facebook and access your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top left of the screen. Within your profile, click on your profile picture. You'll see options like See Profile Picture, Choose Profile Picture, or Import from Instagram. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't allow you to change the actual picture without losing likes and comments. You can only edit the caption by clicking on Edit Captions. As of now, this is how Facebook operates, and changing the profile picture while retaining likes and comment isn't possible. So if you want to change your profile picture, you'll have to select a new one using Choose Profile Picture option. However, keep in mind that this will reset your likes and comments. It's a limitation imposed by Facebook's platform, and there is no workaround for it currently. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.